The 2004 Tic Tac incident refers to an encounter between the USS Nimitz, a United States Navy aircraft carrier, and an unidentified flying object off the coast of Southern California in November 2004. The incident reportedly began when the USS Princeton, a guided missile cruiser accompanying the Nimitz, detected multiple unknown objects on the radar. The objects were described as moving in ways that were impossible for any aircraft or drone, including sudden stops and turns at high speeds. The Nimitz deployed two A-18F Super Hornet fighters to investigate the objects. The pilots reported seeing a white oblong-shaped object that looked like a Tic Tac candy, which moved erratically and could not be locked onto by any of the radar systems. One of the pilots, Commander David Fravor, described the object as something not from the Earth. He and his fellow pilot attempted to intercept the object, but it quickly accelerated away from them and disappeared.
There's a whole fleet of them. Look on the ASA. My gosh. Look at that thing, dude.
The incident was not widely publicized until 2017, when the New York Times published a front-page article detailing the encounter. The incident has since been the subject of much debate and speculation, with some suggesting that the objects may have been extraterrestrial in origin. However, the U.S. Navy has not officially confirmed the nature of the objects, and some experts have suggested that they may have been experimental aircraft or drones operated by a foreign power.